Photo Blender Overlays is an Android application designed to create stunning photo blends and overlays by combining multiple images and effects. This app is particularly popular among photographers, artists, and social media enthusiasts looking to enhance their images with creative layers and artistic touches. Key features typically include a user-friendly interface that allows users to select and blend multiple photos seamlessly. The app often offers a variety of overlays, such as textures, patterns, and effects, which can be applied to create visually striking compositions. Users can add just blending modes, opacity, and other settings to achieve the desired look. Additionally, Photo Blender overlays may include tools for adding text, stickers, and filters, allowing for further customization and personalization of images. Some versions of the app might offer tutorials or inspiration galleries to help users explore different blending techniques and creative ideas. Overall, Photo Blender Overlays serves as an excellent tool for anyone looking to express their creativity through photography, providing the means to craft unique and captivating visual stories by merging images in innovative ways.